This little microprocessor makes lives everywhere easier. But few people think about how they're made. Gold, tin, tantalum, and tungsten. These 4 minerals are in almost every piece of technology you own, so it's important to know where they come from. They can be mined by people enslaved by warlords in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Many of these miners hardly have access to a cell phone or laptop, yet they suffer unspeakable horrors because of them. I'm an Intel engineer, but more importantly, I'm a human being. I believe people should have a conflict-free choice, but 5 years ago, there wasn't a better way. So, my team and I created one. How do you separate the conflict minerals from the conflict-free minerals? The easy path would have been to source minerals from a safer region and just walk away. But you can't solve a problem by abandoning it. You have to start over by reconnecting the dots across the globe and convincing partners to do the right thing. Technology is supposed to solve problems and make lives everywhere easier. We're proud to say the world's first commercially available conflict-free microprocessors do just that.